Myofascial release of the calves. Start by grabbing a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Put the ball just underneath the dead center of your calf muscle and begin to roll. With a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball, you often don't need to put more pressure than just the weight of your leg. However, if you feel like you need a little additional pressure, you can cross one ankle over the other and dig just a little bit deeper. This is a pretty intense roll if you do anything that is calf dominant, like running, jumping rope, anything like that. Also, if you have a tendency to stand with your center of gravity shifted forward, your calves will also be very tight and you may lack ankle mobility. This is great for helping to restore that ankle mobility. So roll the lateral aspect of the calf, hang out on spots that feel really grimy for 30 seconds or a minute or until the pain dissipates, and then you can move to the inside portion of the calf or the medial calf. Again, roll, find spots that feel grimy, gross, gritty, cross one ankle over the other, apply pressure, hold until some of that pain releases a little bit, and that is myofascial release of the calves.